students, we are going to solve these questions. Now, how to solve this question? The solution of the inequation log x square plus x plus 1 with base 1 by 3 plus 1 greater than 0 is how much? So what to do? The first step will be here log x square plus x plus 1 with the base 1 by 3 greater than this plus 1 and this side minus 1 you get. Okay, the rule for this one is case 1 to be checked. What is the case 1 to be checked? This one x square plus x plus 1 greater than 0. What is the solution of this? Is what values of x will satisfy this? Already I explained you in baby curve method, quadratic equation form. That time I explained you what are the solution, how to find the solutions of this. How to find the solution? You see the leading coefficient of this quadratic equation. Leading coefficient is greater than 0 because this is 1. And find the discriminant whenever you get like this. Let us see the discriminant value. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore, I am getting this value is 1 minus 4 minus 3. Discriminant less than 0, a greater than 0, d less than 0. What is the solution for quadratic equation greater than 0? This is greater than 0 for what? For all real. What is the solution for this? X belongs to real is the solution in the case 1. This is most important question. I just say here, this is most important. X square plus x plus 1 is greater than 0. What is the solution for this? X belongs to R. This mode of problems I had explained you in baby curve method. By graphically I have shown. After that I explained these problems. You can check the video. If you are not understanding, let me know. I will forward that video. You can follow that video, watch that video, then you will understand this point. Next I have to see the case number 2. Let us go for the case number 2. What I have to do here? Case number 2, apply the inequality here. This is the base is what? Base is how much? Base is less than 1. When you have base is less than 1, inequality changes. So what I can write, this is x square plus x plus 1. This greater than will become less than 3 power minus 1. 1 by 3 power minus 1. This is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 power minus 1. So I get as x square plus x plus 1. And this value is how much? 1 by 3 means 3 power minus 1. Minus minus cancel. This is plus 3. So x square plus x plus 1 minus 3 less than 0. X square plus x minus 2 less than 0. Let us solve this one. 2 ones are 2, right? So what is the solution for this? X square plus 2x minus 2 less than 0. Take the x common, x plus 2. And minus 1 common, x plus 2 less than 0. It means what I get here? X plus 2 take out common. You get x minus 1 less than 0. Take the number line. On the number line, plot these numbers. You have 1. You have minus 2. Minus 2 will come first. Then you will get 1. And let's see plus, minus, plus. What is the solution for this one? Less than. Less than means what is the solution? This is the solution. So the answer is minus is the solution when you have baby curve method. Baby curve method minus. Less than means minus is the solution. So the answer is x belongs to minus 2 comma 1. What is here is the solution? Real number. Total real number and here is minus 2 comma 1. What is the intersection of this? Intersection is this itself. So the answer C is the right. Hope you understand how to solve this question. Let us see here, students, today's question. See this one. Let us solve how to do it here. Okay. Let's see here. Here is saying log 2 minus x with base 1 by 4 greater than log 2 by x plus 1 base 1 by 4. How to solve? This is the last question for today. Let's see here what to do here. The case 1 is here. The case 1 is, I can write the case 1 is 2 minus x, this should be greater than 0. If 2 minus x greater than 0, minus x is greater than minus 2. So minus is to change this one, multiply with minus symbol, then x less than 2. When you multiply with minus 1, inequality changes. Case 1 you got. Let us go for the case 2. What is the case 2 here? This should be defined. That is 2 by x plus 1 must be greater than 0. What is the solution for this one? Take on the number line. Take on the number line. 2 will be sending that. 2 by 0 is 0. So 1 upon x plus 1. So what do you get here? This is the minus 1. Minus 1, right? This is the minus 1. This is plus. This is minus. So the solution is plus. So minus infinity, minus 1 to infinity. But 1 is not included. So here is the answer is, this answer is minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to infinity answer in the case number 2. Let us go for the another case number 3. Let us solve the case number 3. Case 3 is what? Let us solve this. Okay, hope you understand. Hope you understand. And see here, this is minus 1 to infinity. It means that answer we can write like this also. X greater than minus 1. This meaning and this meaning is same. So this is you got one answer. This is you got second answer. Let us see case number 3. Case number 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 you have. So what you have? The inequality, thus 1 by 4 is there. I told you, whenever you have inequality less than 1, so inequality changes this. That is means 2 minus x, this greater than will become less than 2 by x plus 1 you get. This meaning is what? 2 upon x plus 1 is greater than 2 minus x. This is less than, this is greater than. So simplify this one. 2 upon x plus 1. Send this minus x this side plus x. Send this plus 2 this side minus 2 greater than 0. If you simplify this one, x plus 1 is the LCM. Okay, I get as 2 plus, I get as x plus 1 into x minus 2. That is greater than 0. So if you simplify this, I am getting here x plus 1 and I am getting here 2 plus, if you multiply x into x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 greater than 0. What I am going to I am just simplifying this. Okay, hope you understand this. Inequality changes, so rule has stayed. So what I get here, this is implies I am going to get on the numerator x square minus 2x plus 6 minus x, and this plus 2 minus 2 cancelled out. On the top is x plus 1 greater than 0. So what is the solution for this inequality is most important. This inequality, you got these two solutions. Let us go for the third solution. See here, the solution I am doing here. Okay, let us solve here. That solution what I am going to get is important, right? So if I do here, if I take x common, x if I take out common, I get as x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and I am going to get greater than 0. There is no change in this one, right? Right? Yeah. So let us take on the number line the answer. Let us go and take on the number line. And this is 0, this is plus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, and the plus 1. The inequality plus, minus. So plus sign should be the answer. So x belongs to the answer is plus, minus. You have here the 0 of this is minus 1, the 0 of this is 0, the 0 is 1. So what I did here, I plotted the number line. If you want to understand this thing, you have to watch my baby curve method. I have explained very easily. So there you can write here, this is here. And one more thing, due to lockdown and I am not having the collar mic, so that is the reason I am not able, this voice cannot be reach you in proper way. Keep the headphones and watch the videos. So what I can get as x belongs to, the answer will be, what is the answer from here? The plus will be the answer, that is minus 1 to 0 union, and 1 to infinity is the answer. This is the 1 to infinity is the answer. This is the case number 3. Now what I have to do here, I have to intersect these all the three things. Intersection is the answer. Let us take on the number line, see the intersection. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Case 1. What is the case 1? Less than 2 is saying less than 2. 2 is here suppose. 2 less than 2. So this is the less than 2 answer. Hope you understand. Let us go for the case number 2. X greater than minus 1. Let us consider here is the minus 1. And he is saying greater than minus 1. This is going on this way, this direction. Hope you understand this way it is going on. And this is going infinity. And this is going infinity. Yeah, this is going infinity. This is also going infinity. This is going infinity. And these are not including. These are not included. Let's see the case number 3 here. Minus 1 to 0. 0 is in between. And you have a plus 1. Okay. minus 1 to 0. This is minus 1 to 0. I am getting one more 0 to 1. See, this is minus 1 to 0. Here I am going to use this legs. And these are not included. Yeah. Then 1 to infinity. 1. Here is the 1. 1 to infinity this one. So this is going here like this. Let me know what is the three intersecting points. What is the intersection of 3 points? This is saying it says greater than minus 1. So minus 1 to infinity it is went. And this is less than 2. 2 less than it is went. And this is minus 1 to 0. These are the 3 parts that are mixed up. And 1 to infinity, this is 2 is also mixed up. So finally the answer is becoming here is minus 1 to 0 union the mixing point of all 3 lines. 3 lines shade in proper way, you will understand where the 3 lines are mixing up. The 3 lines are mixing with this minus 1 to 0 and 1 to 2. This is your answer. This is the way to do